Hello everyone, I am your English teacher Richa Sharma from California Public School. I hope you all are fit and fine at your place. So, today we are going to start with the poem The Coral, which is written by Eleanor Farjeon. Okay, so in this poem, we are going to witness a very common scene that we usually witness in our home also. In this poem, we are going to see how a brother and a sister had a fight and how they are going to sort out their issues or how they are going to solve their fight. Okay, so the quarrel. Okay, the quarrel means fight with words. Okay, and all the meanings of the difficult word are given here. You can read them um, so that you can understand the poem really well. So I'm going to start now. The first question they had asked here: do you quarrel, do you fight with your siblings, cousins, and friends? Siblings, you can say real brother or sister. Okay. So, do you fight with your brother, sister, cousin, or friends? Read this poem about a quarrel between a brother and a sister. So, in this poem, we are going to read about a fight between a brother and sister. Okay. So, first of all, the sister is saying, I quarreled with my brother. I don't know what about. And the girl is saying, the sister is saying that I fought with my brother. I don't know what about. And this is the same thing I think so happening with us also, that when we fight with our brother and sister, we exactly don't know what the reason is. ठीक है, हमें नहीं पता होता रीज़न का. And the same thing happening with both of them also. The girl is saying, the sister is saying that we fought with one another but we do not know what about. ठीक है, I do not know what about. One thing led to another. She is simply saying that during that fight, one thing um, one thing said by him and other thing added by her, and like this so many things were getting added to this fight. ठीक है, वो चीज़ें, बहुत सारी चीज़ें इस फाइट में ऐड हो गई. And somehow we fell out, and somehow at last we fought really badly. ठीक है, और लास्ट पे फाइट हो गई. And somehow we fell out, somehow we fought very badly at the end. Okay, so these are the four lines. Okay, I quarreled with my brother, I fought with my brother, I do not know what about. ठीक है, she doesn't know what the exact reason was behind this fight. Just one thing led to another. The things were getting added to this fight, and somehow we fell out, and somehow we fought really badly. Okay, next, the start of it was a slight. It means fight. Okay, so the start of it was slight. जो starting हुई थी fight की, the starting of this fight was very small, you can say, or it started with a very small topic. Okay, the end of it was very strong, but the end of this fight was really strong. Why it was strong? I have underlined this line because at the end they stopped talking to each other. They started hating each other. So that's why the end of it was really strong. Okay, because more and more things were getting added to this fight, and the end result of that fight, that they stopped talking to each other and they started hating each other, because the brother was saying he was right and the girl is thinking he was wrong. And this is the same thing we also think every day, that he is wrong, I am right only. And the same thing was happening between them also. The boy is saying that he was right and the girl was thinking that he was wrong. ओके, एंड वी हेटेड वन अनदर. हेटेड मीन्स डिसलाइक, जिसको हम पसंद नहीं करते. सो वी हेटेड वन अनदर, वी डिसलाइक्ड वन अनदर. The afternoon turned black. Okay, and after that the afternoon turned black. Why the afternoon turned black? Because after that fight they were not on talking terms with each other, they were not talking to each other. They were just sitting quietly and they were not talking at all. Okay, so that's why the afternoon turned black. Usually we do lots of we do play games with our brother and sister, and we laugh and we play. But after the fight they stopped talking to each other, like they were hating each other now. Okay, and then suddenly, now beta, what happened suddenly? Then suddenly my brother thumbed me on the back. Thumbed means pat करना, like this. जब हम बैक पे किसी के पैट करते हैं. So then suddenly my brother thumbed me on the back, or suddenly her brother came and her brother give a pat or give a hit, give a pat on her back and said, "Oh, come on." And the brother, now see, the brother has come to finish this fight, to end this fight. Okay, so and said, "Oh, come on, we can't go on all night. Okay, we cannot continue this fight all day long, all day night. ठीक है, हम इसको continue नहीं कर सकते सारा time." And he accepted, beta, at last, that I was in the wrong. But is he really, was he really wrong? No, he was just uh, he was just want to end this fight. वो सिर्फ इस फाइट को एंड करना चाहता है. दैट्स वाई he was saying to her sister that I accept I was wrong. And at that time her sister, his sister, realized that he was right, I was in the wrong. Okay, because her brother came to her to end this fight, and that's why she realized at last that I was in the wrong, he was in the right. Okay, so the main thing, the main thing which is discussed in the poem, that we usually fight with our brother and sister, but we should not take that fight for very long. ठीक है, we should not stretch that fight for very long, and we should not stop talking to each other. Okay, we usually fight, but we should accept our mistake if we are wrong. And sometimes if we are not wrong also, we should try to end that fight. We should not stretch that fight too long. Okay, so I'm again reading the poem for once. I quarreled with my brother, I fought with my brother. I do not what about, I do not what was the reason behind it exactly. One thing led to another, one things or the so many things were getting added to that fight, and somehow we fell out, and somehow we fought really badly at the end. The start of the fight was very small. The start of the fight, the fight started with a very small topic. The end of it was very strong, but the end of the fight was really strong. बहुत बहुत ज़्यादा badly end हुई fight ये. He said he was right and I knew he was wrong. We hated one another, we disliked one another, and the afternoon turned black because they were not talking with each other. Then suddenly my brother pat me on the back, gave a pat me on the back, and said, "Oh, come on, we cannot continue this fight all night. Okay, we cannot keep on fighting all this night, all the night." I was in the wrong. At last, to end this fight, her brother accepted that I was in the wrong, and so at last her brother accepted that I was in the wrong. But then her sister realized, she herself realized that he was in the right and I was in the wrong. So this is all about this poem. I hope I have cleared meanings of all the line, and keep learning the question answer, and keep learning the work which is assigned to you by the teachers. um, Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.